In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable automatic backup on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you like to save your space or you no longer need backups from WhatsApp, it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and switch this option off. To do so, just head over to WhatsApp, and from here, head over to ellipses here, more options, and then choose settings. Now, under settings, go ahead and look for chats. You can see chats option is here. Then scroll down until you see chat backup. If you tap on this, you can see we have here automatic backup next to your account. So if you tap on this, you can see currently it is on daily, but I like to go ahead and turn this off. To turn it off, go ahead and choose turn off. And from now henceforth, there will be no backup on your WhatsApp. So that's how you can disable automatic backup on WhatsApp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.